Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into an exciting topic how AI is transforming the automotive industry. From self-driving cars to AI-powered safety features, there is so much happening in this space. Today we are exploring how AI is transforming everything from how vehicles are designed and manufactured to how they are driven and maintained. Stick around to see real-life examples and a glimpse into the future of automotive AI. Here's a quick map of what we will cover in this video. First, what is AI in the automotive industry? We'll start with the basics, exploring what AI means in this context and why it's so critical. Second, we'll see key benefits of AI in automotive. We'll look at the biggest advantages AI brings, from increased safety to better efficiency. Third, real world use cases. We'll dive into some exciting use cases, including self driving cars, predictive maintenance, and more. Fourth, how AI is transforming the automotive industry. Here we'll explore how AI is changing the industry as a whole, reshaping everything from manufacturing to customer experiences. Fifth, real time examples. We'll look at specific example of companies and projects actively using AI in vehicles right now. Sixth, future of AI in automotive. We'll discuss where AI in automotive is headed and what we might expect to see in the coming years. So let's jump right in. AI in automotive refers to the use of machine learning, computer vision, natural language processing, and robotics to enhance various aspects of vehicle design, manufacturing, and operation. AI helps cars see, think, and even learn in ways that make driving safer and more efficient. This can range from assisting drivers with navigation and collision avoidance to creating fully autonomous vehicles. So, what are the main benefits of AI in the automotive industry? First one is enhanced safety. AI helps detect hazards, apply emergency brakes, and maintain safe distances, reducing the chance of accident. Second is improved efficiency. AI-powered production lines, smart factories, and predictive maintenance makes car manufacturing faster and more cost-effective. Third is personalized driving experiences. AI tailors setting like seat adjustment, music preferences, and navigation suggestions based on the driver's habit. Fourth, reduce environmental impact. AI helps optimize fuel consumption and supports electrical vehicle EV development, cutting down emissions. Now, let's dive into some specific use cases that illustrate how AI is shaping the automotive industry. First one is autonomous driving. Self-driving technology uses AI to understand and react to the environment. Autonomous cars rely on computer vision, sensors, and machine learning to detect obstacles, pedestrians, and traffic signals, making real time driving decisions without human input. Next is predictive maintenance. Predictive maintenance uses AI to monitor a vehicle's health. Sensors collect data on engine performance, battery life, and more, alerting drivers about potential issues before they cause breakdowns. This is not only improves safety but also helps car owners avoid costly repairs. Third one is driver assistance systems. AI powers advanced driver assistance systems known as ADAS, like lane keeping, adaptive cruise control, and collision warning. These systems provide alerts or take action to prevent accidents, making driving safer for everyone. Next use case is manufacturing and quality control. In manufacturing, AI-driven robots work alongside humans to assemble cars and inspect them for defects. AI helps automate quality checks with high accuracy, reducing waste and ensuring that each vehicle meets quality standards. AI is transforming the automotive industry from the inside out. That is, first, design and development. AI helps engineers and designers develop new cars models fast by simulating various conditions. AI can predict how different designs impact vehicle performance, allowing for quicker data driven decisions. Second, supply chain and production. In smart factories, AI optimizes workflows, schedule maintenance, and even adjust production based on demand. These streamlined operations reduces downtime. Third is after sales and customer experience. AI chatbot assists customers with questions about their vehicles, and some systems can even schedule appointments based on vehicle performance data. These personalized support enhances customer satisfaction. Now, let's take a look at some real world examples where AI is already making a difference. Tesla Autopilot. Tesla's autopilot system uses a combination of AI and sensors assist with driving. It can navigate roads, change lanes, and even park itself. With constant updates, Tesla's AI is continuously improving and learning from millions of miles driven. Next is BMW's predictive maintenance. BMW's predictive maintenance system monitors the condition of the vehicles and alerts drivers when parts need attention. By preventing unexpected breakdown, it saves customer times and money. Next, Ford's Smart Factory Initiative. Ford's factories leverage AI for automated quality control, machine maintenance, and workflow optimization. Ford's AI technology improves manufacturing efficiency and reduces the chance of defective parts reaching the market. The future of AI in the automotive industry is full of potential. Here's what we might see in the years to come. Fully autonomous vehicle. Although we are not there yet, the development of fully autonomous car continues. In the future, vehicles might drive us around, eliminating the need for human drivers altogether. Next is vehicle to everything communication, also known as V2X. AI will enable cars to communicate with others' cars, infrastructure, and even pedestrians, improving traffic flow and reducing accidents. Next is AI enhanced electric vehicles EVs. AI will help optimize EV battery life, manage charging schedules, and even predict when and where charging stations are needed. Smart cities and transportation. AI in automotive will be part of a large ecosystem in smart cities where traffic lights, parking, and public transportation work in harmony, reducing congestion and pollution. Next up is personalized in-car experience. Imagine a car that knows your route, adjusts the music to your mood, and sets the temperature just right, all powered by AI. AI is changing the automotive industry in ways we couldn't have imagined just a few years ago. From enhanced safety to fully autonomous driving, the journey towards smarter and more efficient transportation has only just begun. AI won't just change cars, it will transform the entire way we move from smart cities to eco friendly driving solutions. So, buckle up because the future of AI in automotive is going to be an exciting ride. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.